akwa ba na fe yen hye kasebo no ase yen hye kasebo no ase a emrase bedwafie edom kuma no members a wonom ewo education committee no eso e dia betu dwa a kire mu se ekwan ya mampani Akufo-Addo ene Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia NPP aban wonom afaso na efinhia bese enanye womo akikire ekatwitwiri die ede asoa eye waayeke no ehadwo yie papapa na no betima nam so ama ebenya sunsuanso bone ewo Ghana ngumasua yenkwada no esua no emu na wade tuda akire mu se die ntia wonom eye education committee a wonom ewo mrase bedwafie womo no abere mu no ene se bese bresantim ye yanka to apeso ana waayekefo de betu da akire mu se efiti 2020 no eba no nyina no eyade se BC ene wasi no a enkwada no etro no ehoka woki kambo mu a 300 million Ghana cedis enye de se mampani Akufo-Addo aban waya na adwe se wotua enenti anhwe ya na etime enya sunsanso bonen ewo mudumadi a wonum edie ese waayeke so firi se wonum so ebetua eye service providers examiners any invigilators no ye betua wonum eka na se won befa nkofo mado ma yadwuma na Ghana fo nkwada etime asuade enso na eno hoka akoye boachi bidi na ya bo aban abon a aban so wontua yi na kire se hadwe ye papapa eno na wo chem se we no bonu beka ne se accumulated debt na kire se kanu ya boaboa no a ana bebedru 300 million Ghana cedis na sanse mwe etodwa na ranking member on education committee Peter Notukotoi ana wo friends am trofo nche wonu tutwa no chem se sa kanu ya boaboa no 2022 abepem 2024 finsham de nuntem ana se sika na bible ai na adwene se wontua ana se no akoya sam kese a eda waayekefo eso wotiam se sa ohwe wase no nko amu a 2022 no eka na kire se eda ho no na 9,972,000 Ghana cedis 2022 no nko na outstanding debt ana aban no kire mu a 2023 no eno so no eka no 120 ehuri kwagina 56,515,000 na wade to that rem say saka twitwi die we no aban no timi hwe nyankopon nim etua 10 million Ghana cedis pe asese na kakwaka 46,515,000 Ghana cedis eno ka twitwi die a wo hwe 2022 ene 2023 no a Ghana ban ede waayekefo no a sese no wo mo ATM sa ban no hwe na wontua sa oba 2024 no a aban no fa nensanka kokura nti 2024 yinkwa no ekakese ababada ho ni nyano kambo na kire se 178,342,000 Ghana cedis ana no so abia ho na no ana wo kire mu ese eno atimi ahadwen ye papapa ama sese eka no ba bia kwakodro no sa wo kan 2022 2023 and 2024 ne bomu a we no wasi ne nko a 224,857,000 Ghana cedis eno ne eka aban we wodie wose se wutisim BC no so a 2023 no nko a no eka twitwi die a aban ne boto ro BC no so 698,000 Ghana cedis eno outstanding and so about 2024 no so a 95,837,000 Ghana cedis eno so ka na wotirem se aban no timi hwe nyankopon nim etua 2.3 million Ghana cedis pe ana ede ema waayekefo ansesi ano 93 million eno na outstanding debt ya eda ho no aban no won be so obetua na no ana wapanya ne di edi Peter Notukotoi ekirem se we no ahadwe papa fe se waayekefo ne kiremu a se experience and the invigilators and examiners akane na wado wo adwuma no esansa aban ntimi ntua yenti no wo mo so kira se adwuma no wo nya biem na ba ne sa no a na akwati se entebe wo no mo adwuma no wo nim so ana ye kwakofa wo no se examiners ana afenso no invigilators na ba ne sa no a ebetimi ama great anase ensunsanso be waye kele BC so no ebetima hankwada na adwen pa wo mo nwasua edi abrabom wobra ranking member on education committee workers ano emunsemnie.
We still have some arrears of 2022 to be cleared, which is about 9,972,000 for the 2022 WASE, which is outstanding. Then again for 2023, before Friday, it was 56,515,000. They have paid 10 million, so remaining 46,515,000 Ghana cedis being owed to WAEC. As for 2024, government has not touched it at all, which is in the sum of 178,342,000. That is what they are owing. So if you put that of WASE together, it is 224,857,000 total for WAEC, for WASE alone, 2022, 2023, and 2024. Now, if you come to BEC, for 2023, they have just 698,000 outstanding. 2024, the cost is 95,837,000. They have given them only 2.3 million. Now 93 million is outstanding. So if you put what is outstanding plus the 698,000 for 2023, there is an outstanding money of 94 million on the 2023 and 2024 BEC to be cleared.
Na enu achero ana wapani eye Peter Notu Kotoi editu Ghana wochirim se nyame ya domo a BEC no enkwada na betro bosumi edi animu ya enche na saka we eda hono mo a wayekefo beden atimi ahwe ama nso hwe netima konkane wo se ba da sa no enkwada na kwakotro BEC no ebetima ahadwen pa ntise wo ye Ghana ni abompa ye ma ba fere se aban no wo fa kwani asa nyina so ama aba no wa feli
What is happening is that they are losing seasoned examiners who moderate the questions, who prepare the marking scheme, and do a lot of things for them, because they are coming to do work for you, you are not paying them, so they don't want to do it again. So you see that they have to take on new examiners who are not experienced, and that is creating a problem for them. The rate at which they are losing seasoned examiners, if it is not stopped, WAEC will have a big challenge in delivering on a quality examination for us as a country. If the examiner does not understand the depth of the content of the answers or the questions, and he goes to mark anything, he will be subjective. Either he will undermark a candidate, he will say, will not give the candidate the deserved grade or mark. That is where you are going to have the challenge. So you may be biased, not even biased, you may not be accurate in award of marks, because the experience is not there for you to know that, no, if a candidate writes this is what should be the case.
Enia yeti yei honorable Peter Notu Kotoi wono were ranking member on the education committee Ghana emra se bedwafie ana wo ha hodoa enikai wade atuda oba yen Facebook no so a wo message bi a oba BC yi no ho na wo betro bi anasa oba wase no ho a made we nya wasemia yen people ni ndis ne to nchen na fo adwenkyere ne bra se Ghana ne free se wayekefo no wo mo mfa wo political party a wodom ho Yentwaso.
Yetwa kase bono so ane bibimam hase ya yakasa sisi ano. Enkra betodwa echirem my Ghana. Opa amaya hodo a efi pa adokro wonom. Efi so amaya ne chese ne ma hodo a eye ewiem nsa kire ya ba. Ensu otwa na eyiri di fa wonom a Ghana ya ba beka ho a chese. Ye prepampo sa twede ne de nyakro ba kwada kan ne eja. Ya je honom aboso ne age yani pa. Na enkra betodwa echirem abedi samfinshi aduase ne my Ghana. Ensuo tobia na yira fayen titiri ne kampure mantem de ensuo topa na gitew na ye nsempi na Ghana fo nyina baka ya to yanchima to my Ghana ewo 2015 eye June 3rd enya asameketu akwa ne kwame nkoma sekre honom ene ensuo to ya ejabrane to honom a enipa mako ohaduonum na mo hwere honom kwa mekire 150 na mo tumi hwere honom kwa enam sa ensuyire ene eja ekoya to yancham kese abeto my Ghana yesi amekese asore hwe my Ghana mekire enyuma na afi so adansie so eya bede kire edema asore no Dr. Prince Hamid ama wakasa kire ma ewom sa aban na bomoden edi sika 450 million Ghana cedis edi ahyem kwya do mefa so metimi aboa na ne efini adura ade adokro my Ghana aka emu asisi nyam betimi asiesie ni nyina matim kama ma my Ghana ya ho atumi atwaye nanso esi amekese wo kire ma dwumade omudie no ohamunji chemu oha no matumi ayemu pe mienu pe 2% per matumi akọ chirem se dabi ya pa free so ho adwuma o mo ya pa ne ade agese amekese enso tobia na yira fade sha okra bo mantem ni o ma Ghana miam ya hodo na kire se dwumade omudie ne miam ne kure ni enkonkan okata na osa chirem se sia yakese no wonom di sika $200 million a ene de World Bank for the ma wonom se ni nyina so mo fa moe na Ghana enso atayiri fa ye no aka ne nyina mutumi titim na munya akese na munna ho hwen ne enso yitwa etimia fam ene odo na sakre potem ho de enso tobia na akoya boachi bide no anka ne nyina enso ntumi ntwa na so pani kasa o so ya o mo so so metimi akon omayi Ghana gates ne nyina memu ada ho se hran ne nsuo to ana namu se ya na ne nka babia wa ma Ghana fo na nka nsuo to anka ja nsuire yi de nka Ghana fo de ye ntibdem na so wakasa kire mu se omo akwa na so babia omo akwa duro no ma ho ade yasa totoro se Ghana de hye nyina de duro no aban kuto ntume nya enti Ghana de hye mo ka biewom mo nso asika dwata hye mata so a chese mo no metimi di bia boro mo nka mo na mu nyina mata ba chi efiri se ensu ayirifa Ghana fo no okwa wana mo kono ha mo nti temu mienu pe na wanum atu nti Ghana fo nyina meboa na sa okono mo nyina entimi enko entu asien opani a oni deputy eye minister edema eye works and housing the day ade eye Dr. Prince Hamid ama oni central for kasaye okasa no emunchiremuni.
For us to be able to comprehensively address our flooding situations, we need to do a proper demarcation, and mapping out of all the regional landscape, all the drainage system that we need to create. So that's what the master plan is trying to do. If you take Greater Accra, the interventions that we're putting in, i.e. the Greater Accra Resilience and Integrated Development, the GARE project, that we put in a lot of resources to be able to address the problem. We are solving only 2%. The flooding situation in Greater Accra. So that's so it requires a lot. We need to really work hard, and to be able to do that is to be able to map out the drainage system, and then we can then estimate. Because if you don't have the plan, you cannot even budget. It requires a lot of investment, which we cannot. I don't think that government alone will be able to do that. That's why there are several financing models to this type of enterprise.
Any awuti ye ayo so for be de akira ohwe enwuma na afi so adan nsieso Dr. Prince Hamid amanene na ote na ba Facebook no so DLFM 106.9 ya meka se nyasem kuma na picture no eda so obroni amrado no ho ofe bone nyasem kuma wote ne na Okogyeabour na de free ho ba no no mo se okon aye kon only 2% pen ya tumi akon nti Ghana for eni oha ne de nya nu ba bia
Ghana hate enkra ha mo ye neat high neat o pasampa wa high neat o mpepapa me ento akase ebo so ne yanko animu ate na yanko piem e wodome kwa benya dome plateau ho ne yedroi na ehwo de onya duru a de esi mitire mu ane shegelege na waje so yanwale unya bia no watia so na womanfo ne ade hia wonom e wodome plateau any Christian village enano pay na enya asam kotwa de wotia ne yenchede wo biada ebufu aba wo mobu afusi achemota forest jai ema ne mema wo mukukutu asoro ne nyina no ene se ena himachin ade ba bachi ene ya wodai enso gugui ewo nkra pompure mantamo na da bia meka se enkra ha de se obedwonso egukura bam ebehwegu abonte kura no a ebefa nipa enu nti na nya asam ketua ewo do me plateau na no na omanfo ni tirem se da bi wo montimi ntena se ema se bia bruduadu mfani mesi kotia na wanje bode betim ti anopa wo mtigu mwanteso eni akwantempa o me road no a efre do me plateau ba bepiem wo ye Christian village no eni ema ne mema ibehwe oba Facebook no so a jai ema wodome o ema so wodome mitiremu a na kire se edom wodome kire se wo matie agukwan mu a wo matwenia konkonti ba tabu abuburo benchi abubuo ana wo mede aburo akekwan ni nyina no ene se wo mo mpene so na empene so kina ema ka bia mafiri se mpanifo a wonom ehwe do me kwa benyaga instikropon no so no wo mo ye nipa boofo pa afiri se enso na to ye no atimi ayiri afa wonom ama se nipa etete enso nipa se wiriwiri wa ene kire sense sawa wo mo sinifetri dechi eni ademe wo siniborovi wo kire se do me plateau na no na wo mo tisi do mu no eni agai demonstration pa wonom ablock kwan kirem se kwan a eye ga east mpanifo na fa kwan ya se nyina so atonton sase a chese bebia enso na nyina no mpanifo atonton e de sisi adan enu nti enso to awo wonka bi nhye mu no na gata na bua fa fie e ma nso awo no ba motani sa se suhema enu nti wo mutisi krom na ene ekrade na nka enipa wi e wodome kwa benya eye chese dome plateau ne mpotem ho na emom no aturente bremu aboafo eye National Disaster Management Organization nadmufo police service fo Ghana National Fire Service ene wo mo a eka biegom ana chese wo muti kukro mu a won mo a chese enso na pagya container de kro kiaso de kro enkofo dem atu ne megwa bonte nyina no chese nya mpanifo ne bambofo no anka na die ka de obetia ne metimawu mawu osisa mi fie na wobra wo mo kasa na wo mo kirem se adenti anaga east mpanifo ebetimi aye hwe han na wo mo ni mienu wo mo hwene santamo ebetimi amakwan ama nipa bi asisi adan sikafo ewo gatamu baabi ensuo fa nyina menne obi a wonka bi nhemu wodane dem na ensuo etu na firi ho na momiyentie enne dome kwabenya ene wo ba yen Facebook no so a pilatufo jai ensuo na ehuru sei ase premier ya bakwai gata na yiri anomanfo no so atiegu kwan bebre no a wa block kwan baabi wo hono a wonom adi empuna akese ana abroke ekwan no a ne nyina no ene se wo mo empene ema ka bia nko ka bia ma momiyentie de da na ekoso e wo dome pilatu ne
ana actually enti aya ana problem enso kitua bi dokura enche se be overflow na flow yi abuse no enti aya enti ha ana problem ana man so achi I say yenya ma o alai na manyi no we nyi juma
Lende ba wanta ko papa. Aí né video mano, Victor. Me vende ko beria.
enti abusuani ayeti ye no eye womanfo ene adehia ene no pai ensuo tu wonum efiri wo modem dome pilatu ene Christian village ya oba yen Facebook no so hey Kwadwo we no aye no videos and pictures of inogan wo hwenhwe
enti de ye hu no ho ne ye de ya
dome pilatu no
da bio okun nua ne ade na gu eho no mo na ye nsuo na twe gu ho na ade hye na de kogu kwan ni
sa ensuo no twe bi begu ho ana omanfo no so di bi aka ho sa ne ye de bablock kwan kopem se de mo bayan penfo benti ye koso e wo ho na hunu no
na je se na ka bia ntumi antwemu ana
dabi na ka ba da twemu
sa edu ba bi nso a eboa o
sa demonstration is allowed
se kro we ni mo no ade ba kwa ye hu ni se mpenifo na ni je ho pa na se bibi hawa ajo ba bonten be ye o ye kire nti sa ade a enya de ombete onka nti we se ne beboa because ha adwen ade nti na ba bia ensuo fa ye ton ho no mo makobra ni si dan si wo
eno nti na nka ye bɔ moden se yensa betimi aka wopani set osai kofi kisi wo me na ye nadmo boss e wo Ghanaian East ni abusa ne se wo ya wo yesi adan esi baby ensuo fa na but ya bɔ opani na homa no wa mfa mon kan kire ne se ye frɛ no ate mon kan kire no me ya me wo fa no mon kan kire ne se ye hia no so be yin sem bia no
mate se producer se ne lie no aye busy pa no modern say baby a busy na kodu no wonya mu ne nka se because ehu hia wo hwɛ kwan ya fa so ma ensu eda hwe ne matuma sisi de sisi na hwam na etondon asane ma wo no
now hwan ya
wo be kumi ni pa okro ha
tese wo batutu momani asema no
hey kromo ane dia obi be dini ne botomo no ntino se
wo be wu a
kromo ni nyina be hye kra mfa kobra ne ho masa amana na ye hunu ne sa no ho sabe ye nipa na ete ho no mo no se ye sa na mo ya anka de bia be ka se ho fe
onim Japan o moti nsuo so Japan o mai Japan ne nyina no nsuo so no omote ene se wo mo de nkombada ne empatre nsuo de nyina
ko adi nsuo no mu agrokra
na nsuo san se wo mo national leaders Ghana no ye ni bi ye de na ko political leaders
dabi
enti enipa mienu enipa gina ho no mo na ni mienu na hwene santam mo pa na wato asase a eye gatam de amada sane se won feeling fancy dan
a onim de achi bia susan so bone de baba mfa no ho ha no kra de onu bedi no na hia no
do me kwa benya nso babia adai fa ye no
ya
ayi pillar 2 ho no mo nya kura ase
dabi
enso hwede nsu aye nipa enkra ha Kwadwo do so de wa ho tuam na du so gum enso ebe yira be fe nipa ne se be yira be fe nipa
de bia wo ka ho asem na ye no kure because so hwe ndra da ensu atu anadwe ya de ba ya enye nsu bi abeka se kire so aye senke tumi yiri fa de hye sa na wo hwe na mombone ya yatru no ehun sunsuanso ni bi ne free se so man tu sa na mo we na nke aka no gates ni mu de da ho no ma menyi ni senke nsuo ebetumi atwe afa manfo stores ne ade akọ ema na adum pempense wati se da ehun too much o ha no dos no do ko
Kwadwo me kwa homa so yensa kan owura set osai kofi kisi a wono anaba atorenche mbremu aboafo a wada no ewo Ghanaian East kropon no emu nadmo boss eno no What for some drink?
Asumdwe council.
What for what one bako there?
But I don't know when you go.
Ye Benyamia say, where the medin care, and someone a man for what the Maple too. Any Christian village, canning in ano, and say, so no, and 2 or more free one more demono. The other course, and I said the other sense we are banning in ano, and he said, baby, and so for baby, I got her efano. And Penifo Morgan East, what my ram, yes, is here die woman tea, and the woman bray. What for alcohol, what to say?
You will that say, 106.9.
I am a crack and a pay and Canadian, and it is a Christian village, Quino, amount for Esino. And Tibomodi, about 9 alcohol, as an abonuncia, and Omocasa beer, almost won't be a Quino. Your friend of police by almost won't be
DLFM.
Quickly, and I'm not most back from the headquarters. OBPO, it is not boys, no. Many abria moya basa. Na papa be pie wono so kire o say sebe kafa. Bodam fo obi afi ana bodam no e obi atim. Enti no so no kan boko no man pre no no sieni kakra. Ansa no sene ma no kwan mu. E ma kwan eda ho. Na obi bisa say one no mo si kwan no. We no me nipa bia omotiti enso na no pe. Utu na 3 steps pe no du nso no. E hono mo si ho na esi. And my santi in your corner, no more dinkum, no dinkum. It's not saying so year above the window level in the room of them. It's a woman to be fashion of them. You know what dinkum, I just will be bias still also monko. And that's what I feel when so near man and this is the tino, you know, Macassa still, almost a tune. And when some of them will be as in your permit. Now, I am not before no, your recommendation, the ma assemblies, you know. The assemblies now, and one of your can north. And I can east eye of Kwabia, your boundary. Ye may not boom, a corner could dinkum. Minoka say, your excavators may know esim. The excavators need to mean yet monk on him. It's not to say, the buffer corner amount for down. The materials and the guru amount for down. It's a man in the edge. It is high time, say, Ghana will call spade a spade. Last structure beer won't show one angle. You be yes, one Saturday, don't you know? Abba. Yes, to cut a sumo was cut a sumo was assembly. They be a record because the men okay. The predecessors, I can want them, and I never should do so. I may catch up place there until we remove those structures from the river bank. Master, and so Petia, Christian village, Pillar 2 boundary, and Hobby, because they will happen rain in Africa. And so to I had to come to it. I had me. It is not to our account there. Let us mind it. Abba.
And
we should call spade a spade. And yeah.
And what I know. Now, you say, which more a mouth for no mum and a titty in so no name, and yet in so many amount for necessary diamond sabria to Nhyiraba.
Master, make a crack though. And there'll be a journalist who come out, be a camera phone. And the media will be back on them. Go there with your cameras and have one person who said they make kind of some memoir. And the memoirs, they come on air and say it. I want to open. You see, the Omayo, I foresee some the Sunday for being safe. And the Bill soon come feel and then so come feel. I'm telling you, authority. Baby, and so corner and so called. I've lived in that community for 32 years. Me and Kasama. I live in Pillar 2. I've lived here since 93, 1st July. Now, Nipa that's an only idea commoner. Yentie. A bear saying so, Sabi Kafa, in Shobafa or the Sani, never can want them. It's NADMO. We are interested in doing prevention. That is the responsibilities of NADMO. We try to do prevention. They're never small in the Babano. You're Brennercy. So we go to them, we engage them, we educate them. Now, what you say, so to be you. Now that's what you are facing. I feel so never know. I know what they. Now, if I can do it, I'm going to phone. I say, so far as Kisi is concerned, this year there's no place called flat prone because and there will be anything there's so to hold. And as a result of the bad attitude of young Ghanaians, it's what would be in Sota a year as be idea. The patch of Modena found them. Na couple was for being changed. Na Cotina. near fun name and walk him.
Apart from Sabia, Obeka say the bad attitude of all of us as Ghanaians, you know. You bet me so I can say leadership on also afeli kakra na afri say one. You can National Disaster Management Organization, you the two maybe amamo said the bear mobile addition and kwa ho ban. Ana Ghana East Municipal Assembly so ewo enhyehyeye when it comes to a human settlement. Ana wuncheche mokra no kire say enipa no atete ba bi a enye a ebetim di wuwu aba. So adenti ana mo all the powers in the hands. Mwatena ho no mo sankofo na se wo mo nkonti enti wo mu wansa na sa to rentemra emma nad mo sebio wo mo nkwacha mo ni sumye ansa na wo fa we de ka fra bi bisasa asemi
Medasi they do me just fit not because we are not interested in giving relief items. We are interested in doing the prevention. So when we identify the various problems now, we write to the coordinator of the assemblies, to the assembly itself. Now, yaba, not before can Ocran, and then the assembly take it from there. Not more as an institution, we don't have the power to come and do demolition. Number two, a normal can come here, and I gotta come here. A Juma Messi for 10 a Jumano. Sunday, Saturday, you never call only Messi for by 100 because the Pacon himself, you know, and never pass. Only so we start to do level here. It must go through the legal procedure, which is going to take a while. It will be along the line, a day, a bit chat.
And you almost say that,
yes, I'm telling you, I am visible. Whatever I can say, we so I can go on and a guy is all over.
Now,
on weekends.
What I almost say down weekends, one more sit on a journal, Abia Sabre, not Mufwada. Say, in so to and more uniform, and as a one, Tiadiachi and more uniform. Adiachi, ya dynasty, baby, and the says, you know, not Mufwo. More place a recommendation to the assembly, and I almost saying.
Me to the catcher will say, Bibia, and near coining Nano, not more guys. There are recommendations to the assembly. So we are waiting on the assembly to make sure that the finality is done. Because Nabo cannot go and do the demolition. Nabo will do those things when I acquire so easy what they do acquire. I will see a benefit acquire pumping to be Enquires affected next Libano will do that quickly. The fact is that on the weekend, you know, it's only 10 or it will ready to window level. And the report from my assembly, the assemblies will also go through the legal process. Yes, at the end of that moment, we are waiting on the assembly to act.
Uncle, me do ACN. Uncle, where the Kafra? Kafra, me do ACN. If you tibra work as a nadmo for Marco baby uncle for Titiano and yet now more place a recommendation to the assembly no ache. An assembly no respond yana and enche.
Ache a do more temporal structures like containers and wooden structures in Lumba. If you a bit more quickly make a woo and do more. If you these are structures, some of them have been there over 20 something years, some have been there over 15 years. By we have made those recommendations. They also say to me quickly, they are working on it. They are kind of assemblies. They are working on it because they cannot just wake up and go instantly and do the demolition.
Okay.
That's what the assembly is telling us. So we that moment we have done our part of it, of identifying the hazard and notifying the assembly. Because not more than the various institutions in Ghana, a football like a midfield and a distributed passes. So based on the problem I identify, we live with the assembly with that particular institution and work on it.
Okay.
What am I saying? Yes. And secondly, so yes, social media and a moment soon top it. No matter saying, it's a hazard. Hazard is not about race. All aspects of life. Now education being for radio so and we are all over the assemblies in the country. Why amount for so tia only betum ko do near the here next amount for come for some young japade Mr. Kona ball and go for the good water ball amount for the good water
Yo.
A big agro. Me want 70 bags pay. Or you that can eat go. A big one from the rainy season to the dry season. Dry season from a bank, 1 spoon, 2 spoon of cook. What about the number of plastic bottles I won't soon in? And the polythene bags I won't soon. My brother, if you're not careful, you vomit. So if we don't change our attitude as Ghanaians, positively, matter, you're
Medas, Wafa, and me anasi and Yumrene and Chichimu Adiama Yenti. Ye free hand more, ye bekwa assembly no when you busa say, Ada na nadmu for a mamo recommendation, Abe Pemone, Motis one to be Pemo Fiber Saba.
At your service.
Yeah, that's say. Ebusia wapani and then I train Komoy wano ana atorentem bremo abuaf wano dano ewaga east domekwa benya. Nede at the set was a coffee kissing a watch say a demand dear one more mudie. Name Ga East Municipal Assembly no ana recommendations from the Aquino assembly no at the young penny for some year and one that's what. Kwadwo
Oko if you about no enti assembly ni person mo kire say kuro na yetimo no sa obi etu na mo betumi akofa sunsun so bone yaba mana akaka afofora wo betena ho ama de na siansa na
da bia me ka say a law without enforcement, it is just a piece of an advice.
Because could the NADMO coordinator or your friend Dalete can
settle
yes, no, or who watch this or house in the Bebao. In the assembly now, or they and Crata come on, Missana, most in as a mobile year two. So one tower might change one of them on my.
When the entire assembly is linked to me and work on the recommendation. I
didn't try.
We become no women organize a bid dance. We become no youth organize a bid dance. You get a point.
Yeah.
Enti okobu hwa de agya de you see amanyo sem no me se Ghana e be se Kole Lagoon to asom yanku anim
yantoa kasebo no so ane egdaso agina mu nkrabu premantem mu na ne gamanche ken ayeteki ayeteko tura otoso mienu na nakasa echiremu a ode asina ni so pa se nkrabu premantem a efi adokro nkrabu premantem no betumi aboa na watai eye Accra Metropolitan Assembly no anim na wo moden atu efi ni nyina se de afri nkrabu premantem na na de nsem we nyina de tudwa emra ne dwei okokopie mo e wo ye Accra Metropolitan Assembly no honom no no mkodi nkobo ene wo kirem se ehu behia pa sa nkrabu premantem se de afi adokro nkrankrai yamia ne mu nokre ni eyade ha adwen ye pa ento so de asine ni so betimi abo no one eye regional coordinating council no afinso emefo ena afinso eye security service ahodo ne nyina ka bom se be betimi abo na de hia wo my Ghana ne efi ahodo a wonom ye omafia firi makoto de agu kwanchan ebi mo hwe hase ye so oto asara mapa omoni amafia ye ma ne nyina ofia hono no na omapega de ko hwe agu nsuo no se ba ye nsuo no be de ba ko na ekwa hefa na de ko na akwaka obi danchi na akwafa ha ode aba na ekirem a wadwene wa hunu se sa ho na oha we na ekoso no so wanfane na nsi fom na wa mmoa na assembly na ntaa na chebedu ba bi no yesi ba fem sai firi se ensuo no eto a na eyiri fa yen da be ne ye betra ha yen hwe han ma nkabu premantem enimu agu anya na ekirem a sa oha we de na koma so a oba no homade so betime yi ni nyina de afiri ho afizo akasa na osa kire mu se nkabu premantem ha se ni oba ko ha adwen ye pa eya tutubotom ene kosi bo ne beka se social vices no edoso papa wonam ho ana obi apa usum be ho ana wofo no wahwim no na de sene na ne kwa me nkoma sakre ho enya sem kuma ukopie mu ene wa jese jufo fumbote ho na makola ho oh masa kantamanto ya pa usum ene ya de sen na ekire ma wa hunu se ba sibra tutu enkra ha ajabo so bia ba fa bia we ya de ante se bra na te sen me hu wacha pao onimu woda opese eja won ne kwana eja mo de ne we kwese ne ma no na ekire ma egun kan mo krondom hanimu ase ne senti obema ma de sen ne nyina no one security agency na be ka bom no sa ha we nyina no eto etimi etwa na kasa no emu nkire mu ni
to meet with traders, both petty and wholesale traders. Our mission today with the Regional Coordinating Council, headed by the Regional Minister, the Mayor of Accra, the Sempe Manche, who is the Paramount Chief of Sempe, the Abola Manche, and all chiefs of the Traditional Council, come together, foster and forge a pact that will make Accra work again. Accra must be the cleanest city in Africa, and if we are to attain that fate, then the onus is on us for us to come and see exactly the magnitude of the problem that we have with our waste management effort. We have seen the problems we've had from the market queen and stakeholders, and we are sure a come home or Accra will be clean again. We will launch the Making Accra Work Again. We are going to launch the waste management effort and initiative to clean Accra. and every suburb of it. The chiefs will be in charge, and at this moment we will have a Safwa chairman as members of our task force. With them we believe that we will achieve the fate that Accra will be clean again. Chanu Manyaba.
Any awuti ye aya gamanche can take ochura otoso mienu nende enono.
Answer obewi na ka say twa Manyaba.
Eno ne echire sei.
Eni
yenko bi say ye Jane Paulina.
Why Paulina? Pola tu.
Ye nwale.
Ensu ayira fa no.
Zami hoti dia bia pempem.
Adia. Enti wo he na akasa na meboa.
Na wakasa.
Wo se twa o Manyaba.
Oni mbia ya me de pa no.
Je so piao.
Piao.
We are me trawunkan.
Chire me hu be hia pa o.
Meboa
na makohia obi na eja mo be me bone na mantia.
Ama asa wo de kro no nyina kwahye sekre. Ada Wisconsin ni mo ya na nke e wotri.
Ya fa me phone de akoi. Ya ni mo haye.
Ke pa usmagia.
O se e ho na gidi o. Elinti na eja unti be nyim frame.
E ho no ya kro no bom se
le se kwa me koma sekre ho no mo no. E na eye June 4th. June 4th no wo kantamanto mpotem wo ko. E ho hye bone. E ho de ya si etimi kura wo socks na wo hye. Obedu fe no me ba wo se na mpabu akura nhye wo. Ana kaswa nso automatic kaswa nso fo ka ho. Kro no pa.
Se ori menti a na se me hye singlet no.
Ade.
Se ai sekre ho no. Ade a me hye singlet wase a shirt guso no. Ya twi singlet.
Na asama waka no mo modi so de na besi ya bro
Kwadwo
oku
ya twi singlet ne fa me ko ho a me bedu fie no atade ne ngre bara singlet ne nhyame ana me sikrom a se de me pia me jam be ma to fie no sa na me jam singlet ne to fie
ma ka cho se kire me e be boa me o
DLFM
am si nyame de na me ko na sha fridge ni mo jam akota ma de na nze anya se be di ba bi be hadwen pa e be hadwen o ebe ha dwenti mo moye na ya winshra ne wanu hwam na ye bompa ye se de waka no obe ni sana ye brepa Wisconsin anim ha ya nyame nko a ke de me fun ko e wahu ne mutena krom han sabe mudin sam fun se ya o pese mo kire sei
bra kronfo bo de ka ne
ya se mkuma o se moto ko na moto edi mirika na mikitam ne ya de mesin e kwan yesu masa bra me bra anya se mkuma na asem we no lenda wantintra ankaza de obe ya me pa mamombe
uradi krom ha na twa o Manyaba piao ne ento akase ebo no so ma yenko yanim yenko twi break ewo wo my Ghana atoye mantamu a ye ko wasama mv east na samo beka ye na wotwe atwa mu ne beto dwase any PP parliamentary candidate awo no wo gina mu de ama wono 2024 abato no eye NS Frimpong wone enipa bi akoye nhyiamu aka ade a kire wono mo etu efoma gudie se wono mo e wo site hono mo eye adwuma se ye gadam se ye dian sojani ba ho na wo be ye me hu me ye sojani a mo mpa ne so mu woni nkonsamfiri ho nkura na sasa mo a wo kan ye no ene obonu be kasa akọ viral pa Ghana fo bi anya bi ahwe na no ana eye eno a apoesifo akọ kye no se da bi opani yi wono wase dan wontini ne di mfe ntwansuo anuntinsam a wo kan ye no wo hye mabunu kutu panse wo munya bambofo no ayamu wo enku wo munti ya yire wo pani ne se ten na edne ko gina mu ewo police fo ho ana asem no kopie mu ewo court na no ana court ye se da bi ye ma ne bail pa ne mfe ani ni nachi kopem se wo pani no obesatra na beresem no se court nya no a yensan emfa no emra na nasem wo kan no mu tirem se da bi ye kwakwato abai ahwe na ko yenso nso bo ne ewo timamfo ne asogafo ne police fo so nti no nasem wo kan no wanka ne na emono ana municipal chief executive ade Emma Wasama Mfi East aye Frederick Kranche wada to that them say asamo a one parliamentary candidate ne kan wan kan ye kura wan kan ye kura frisa bana sano a na wahye entokwa wako ani asotrobo ana amatemamufo ene bambofo no nti anko ye kura wada to aye minus nyina so nim se obi bia na opese otu efom agudie no wonfa kwampa so se de beya documentation krata se betima koye frisa Ghana ha no wontimi nkwose kwayem se okotu fom agudie wabra wuni enkrata eno nti ni tenti mu ne se wopene no NS Frimpong no yedni kopie mu e wa police fo kukum na yama ni police bail a sese no yese won kona brepam ye hia no a ye besa aso ne boxer mu atwe afa no ko ho e de no aba na lepe lambon Lydia and was good evening wafa wono wafa se kasebo no mo de sano man nampa loud and clear e wo North Kandishi was DLFM number 1 the best ana Kofi Parliament was so tie hwe ne life ewo Agona Bobikuma was say Ghana se said aye bibia ho enema boya den pa ana wodo differentema was say Mahama is not the option and he's not the alternative ana ode aban na was say yanwale mu Charles Mafo ana was say good evening DLFM kasebo no more the papa na inside loud and clear ewo Ellen's Beauty Parlor ewo Kwabenya Puma Fuel Station mo ya chiamo pa wo mo tumbrodo bi wo opposite wo ya mo ntobi ni mo ana DJ higher grade and was the only thing their MP knows is there is to dance was it don't know Kwabenya their MP ni mo ya na say was TikTok was ana Ketekre GH was say hi I am Ketekre GH from Enquiries Mfantim was say please today I hope all of you are doing well. Yes, you when you palm. And I want to the neck mo aboaten. One also the ban was what Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia no was we take us a bonne life. I was down so my asore down home. Was a very special greetings goes out to you. And yeah, Ambassador Mike Kokwe. Mo one so senior ma if you pa Mike Kokwe. O senior ma ya de. Apaka GH Atlas is said yeah. One year PR. Ade Emma RTU. RTU need dreams. RTU dreams.
And when we are in your man, and you
Enti me ba se sia. Apaka atena se.
DL News.
Ebusia yansama wadwon ama wakwaba na nwumre amfambra DL 106.9 FM kasafidie so ene yawada enwumre no nsia kasebo so mrewedu se yagibre na gudie mu nso no ne ekone ne eba ne yede eba beso ensampi na na wa Ghana gudie mu nsam wa ebribram de wa ena nkrofun kro so de latest any exclusives no ya boabo ne nyina no anda nwumre yede eba beso ewo kasebo so me amede nsam na ba na di ameje so no eya Yesu aro de share Ocran GH the blessed kinisana penefo kan no sebe ye bodam edi fifie ansana ye de akwa bontinti yen hyansem na se emfam fifie emfam dia yen hyase emfam fi Ghana national amputee team no akache nanse ano modi omani chemu ewo ma ye fen Egypt ekoje amputee AFCON ede emai na ewi akire no omo be piem na kwa ensem bubruja sika ye de memam ye mfam omo ye empenefo Ocran Nhyiraba emam akwa abaye nano nandra omo kopiemu ewo former president Edema Republic of Ghana His Excellency John Dramani Mahama onwa ena otu franka Edema NDC amayoko no na omo kopiemu wono ena His Excellency edi nsama wudo opina edi tu omanim so o edika no emro ma be ko Egypt no nyane ntiese nkomo pese omo be hia no nanka support bi owo odemam na emom no otu kwa no mantumi ambehia no entoma tuma kopiemu awo Egypt no makoji AFCON dia okitani nsam $10,000 omonye na omonche emfa enkogu omo.
Before you traveled, there was an effort to meet me to see how I could support in my own little way like I've been doing. But unfortunately, I had traveled. But it didn't deter you. You still went. And I hear under quite difficult circumstances, you managed to play your hearts out and you brought the trophy. And so we're very proud of you. And we want to welcome you back warmly and to thank you for what you've done. And even though you didn't see me before you went because I was away, I have a little gift.
His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, former president, on 102 franca Edema NDC amanyoko no yamona baso wayade $10,000 in the dollar nenam 15 cedis until okaso breaking it down almost 15 billion cedis and all the amount puti a national team no yamono abaso and watching His Excellency John Dramani Mahama edi tujachema obeko swana ni interest ewo amputi no no akosro obe monitor no wadi omachi emwa bi omuhia no or the best support om sene be ya trophy no obeko so age edi amagana impo World Cup kra no omukwa no makoje edi abregana.
And so it's just a little token, and I'll continue to take an interest in what you do. We will give you the assistance that you need to continue to retain your trophy and even win more laurels for us. Maybe the next time you are going to the World Cup to bring the World Cup trophy back here to Ghana.
His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, former president Edema Ghana NDC, Amanyo Konono and Otu Franka, Edi Emoma, YSI Yedi, Edi Amam Puti National Team na, Yamwana Basonian Srenya Minshira, Mfamano, Henry Asantichum, Eye Kasama for Penny, Edema Ghana Football Association, Wakasa Area for Otuado, or CGFNO, Omu believe so much in Otuado, na Otuado Eye coacher, Omonina Yajumas assistant coach Enwechino as interim coach Romudi Adjumane Mano na Otuado a very disciplined about respect any knowledge in football swa e was so Osianunti and Adjumedi never tore Emra Omujo a Chris Wooten Kwano almost a kofa Otuado debae.
Winning these 2 matches is unquantifiable. We believe so much in Otuado. We had the opportunity to work with us first of all as an assistant coach, later as a stopgap coach, and we loved the ethics, his disciplinary level, and what he brought on board in terms of his respect and knowledge about football. And so when the opportunity came for us to find a replacement for Chris Hilton, the panel listened to him.
Harry Asantutum Amananso Twaso Eri to just Otuado Eba back Ebe coach Adema Black Stars ni impact wenya ewo team no so no ewo suyepa especially 2 games and ansenya ye boy ewo World Cup qualifiers no hwe ni nyina na Ghana DLFM na waye nkonya na Ghana abeteteka no ne yawini against Mali and Central African Republic nti osi Otuado bai ni impact no akosuyepa.
I think his impact has been absolutely magnificent. If you look at how he came back from behind to beat Mali in Bamako in intimidating condition, we knew it was going to be difficult. In Kumasi, once you win such an important game away from home, the natural pressure will come. But we kept our composure. We were able.
Harry Asantichum Kasama for Penny Edema Ghana Football Association Ebusia Waten and Kane Tariq Lamte a defender Edema Black Stars of Ghana Osina Kai Edema Brighton and Wolf Albion Ewa Maya Yefen England mo na Wakasa Osi as a young player no ne die son any young player be a die son and so benya kwenya abo World Cup enti imra 2022 World Cup ekos World Qatar a okobo bi Edema Ghana no ene niaji ne die son abem na proud and a special moment Edema ono and in Ebusia or sisa moment or cherishing it so much.
Yeah, I think the World Cup is top of everybody's list. As a young boy, you can only dream of playing in the World Cup, and yeah, it was just a very special and proud moment for me and my family. After all the sacrifice and the hard work that you put in, moments like that, you have to cherish it. And
ne kwakwamuno Tariq Lamte Echima or say players and they our Black Stars no omo jomudi enwechi omo talent na omo kitano omo jidi ni omo hiane so mbe focus na ne coach Otuado ebe ka chom no omo de be adwuma na omo take World Cup qualifiers no game after game na ojidi so omo konkoden na omo koso epushi a World Cup no Ghana betumi qualify.
Yeah, I think we definitely believe in ourselves. We have the talent, as we know. We just have to focus on what the coach has to say to us. Take it game by game, work as hard as possible, and hopefully the results will show. We worked hard in the build up to the last.
Tariq Lamte defender Edema the Black Stars of Ghana the Busia Waten and Kano na Kofi Koji a former striker Edema team a friend and Heart of Folk na wakasa dia fa Heart of Folk omo relegation and send some no or see ono dia or sure or GDP say Heart and relegation or say never sadia na entuminsi enti nyame adoma kwasia da Gama Heart any Bechem United ekwakobo e Bechem no e must win for us.
Right now I'm not in the team, so I can't say anything now because now I'm not in the team for now. But what I'll say is I'm not sure how to go to relegation.
Kofi Koji former striker and Waten and Kano now was Sansan Samno and Mr. George Kennedy former management member Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko or a legend Edema Kotoko or say a very very unfortunate say has a beko relegation or see on Rashid da farmer has say has a beko relegation into any legends I would want or more bompai Edema has Senabaya has enco relegation or say has eco relegation a beha Ghana football.
Very unfortunate. Very, very unfortunate. I don't wish to say I have a relegation. I am praying very, very hard. As well as your legends, Yenimu Rola, Sekotoko, Ewas, na House of Folk, Ewastra. Development, Ghana football.
George Kennedy and a Watin Castle Bompire say has enco relegation. Now George Kennedy, your best omun kwa ombesuya de na next time no omaye omunyamaye Lord Hillary ana Lord Hillary adabo midfielder edema bobo kwa friend RTU na endra ena nkonya bisi wodawu emra team a your friend Dinsesi ekwahye RTU by account wotwe omo team baako na RTU one go na omo share no according to RTU for no omo si abrante friend Lord Hillary adabo ena share na Lord Hillary adabo na kasa osibo enyon no share sa go no ndra de wo okra wan ko biem enti omo si ono share go a enyon no ono no wotemale a watwa TV a onom kra
ene na meka cho mo se ni wono mi wotamale Omo paya, omo mau tani pano picture. Namu phone confer. Cause me media maker. Cause me say me watamali lo Hillary adapo me watamali. Omo watamali. Dia me say ya the place no dia unko. Yeni na watamali. Eno na mimi.
Enti Lord Hillary adabo eno kasa Okogyeabour esresa. Ozi otamale bo no wankobo bia wonsam no abusia ya moni tew ewa manone ne yamfansi dia yenwramo ewo boboku a ya frano ende AC Milan akachi no officially no confirm Portuguese manager a ya frano Paulo Fonseca no AC Milan a confirm say officially no ono eno baba na wayo mu new manager season ya baba wremu ya ya de wonsam ade ato animti AC Milan enya new manager ya frano Paulo Fonseca yada wonsam edi atuanim uram of France omubobo kwa ye fen Olympic masa o makache na medimani che me no kase de o ma start any Italian manager ye fen Roberto Di Zerbi former Brighton and hope abiomo manager o muni ni didi nkomo se o mre no be new manager and former Olympic masa o mu chema o mu manage 3-year contract na dey wasan enti se bibia toto di India Roberto Di Zerbi ebewremu of France na wakwa kokochi bobo kwa ye fen Olympic masa yada wonsam edi nano pana meditu wanim se Borussia Dortmund omo manager ye friend Edin Terzic no and they mutually no on it team no apart ways ni amete ene se ne assistant ye friend Nuri Sahin former Dortmund Real Madrid player ono na mpenfo ne kasa se Edin Terzic ekodia ontna na onye new manager and former team ye friend Dortmund komo twetwe no ekokọ se bibia tutodi India obeto aso no aye manager edi ama Dortmund ye wonsam edi ama officially no Bayern Munich Elremo ewo VfB Stuttgart akache Japanese 25-year-old center back ye friend Hiroki Ito no oma sign for 30 million euros 4-year contract and omodi amano until June 2028 medewon some ediamao under Herrera former midfielder edema bobo kwa ye friend Manchester United nde uremo ewo Athletic Club Bilbao akache ewo Spain ewo no sinaka ne contract no na bawie na so 1-year contract extension no was sign ediamom Azza Wessel and so Belgium akwala o sinaka edema Atletico Madrid ono so assign 1-year contract extension until June 2025 whatna na wesia kind ama Atletico Madrid ayede wonsam edi ama ebusia nyina weso na gudie monsam anda nwumre yede be down no yamfansi na sofa no ento asomfama mo me amede gudie monsam de by dia meje so no eya Yesu ano de share Apakan GH the blessed king. Over to you Okogyeabour.
Me da say Apakan GH RTU for any dreams FC for nyina brand ambassador eno no say there anything about dreams
media ade ha ma adwene ye sa om captain na o se ball no wan ko bi bado o he scoreboard no so no no na shego no wato atena ede ma RTU ne hono de ma dwen ho awiase ala sisam bayi okwo ebisi ba bi ada na kuro wada ya team no e senkyere ne man pa se ya bobo apon na nipa ya bo ne dizo na shego wo se wan ko tournament bo no wan ko park na so kra order fia we twa dia no kra o any what discover eh any part discover de wa hayo wanya ya wa samo okro ma o ama wanya me mpa ba bia ntena
oni
impersonation pa ni
oni ma petition nyankopon
Say onye dey.
My petition is say obebo nipa bi mu a. Say dachi bia na adwuma pa me be yi. Say obesa mama ba bi mu a.
Onfa magana.
Onfa magana ha. Say why na ade say Ghana na so onya na tie no hu de onfa nya. Sa na tie no onfa nsi fo no.
Tego kura ope.
Mama nko Ghana fo na ye ni nkomo. Ebusua enkomo no eyetiawa. Wama Ghana ekasa atorenchem a atorenchem ehu ebetimi ato obi a na momye hwe enkomo amene nadmo papa edi yeyi o nadmo no womo ani to me se wo dan se ba bi a yebebu ato atwene womo de ne se womo hwe na ba bia wote ne enye na ede wo ha obeba na wonom apply recommendation to the assembly na assembly no ababehwe ni yebu ato atwene sedan esi ba bia nya yebutugu Nenso assembly ya so na de permit ne man krofo mo sisi adanse ba bia enye krom ha opesa o de container kresi ba bia assembly ana ma permit ansa na o de asi ebe wi akire no nso no wo bisa mpanimfo no a na wo de sobo no ebo temamufo na temamufo nso ade sobo no ebo mpanimfo sese sa to renchem no ensu ayira fa ye no ususu se adanti an assembly no a wo mo to me no nadmu ade recommendation ne kwa wo montimi ni akire emepam nipa no anaye mebubuda no emfiri ho edi entia asemni ni o 0534050199 0593406565 ye friend sofa na yen sofa madwe
hello
no fa say ofa pole
ya dia ni moto ka come
o moto make ka na nyamia
no fiano is fine
I mean of you be there fine enti de nsu ayira fa mo no
ya betina obi onu over e yiri fa e ba ho
na ususu sa problem no ye de ya o hwa ye fa problem no enfension
corruption
o say
by the corruption
sa eno ha na akwaji sikai
what empany for na akwaji sikano empany for na akwaji alpha
nti so obi si dan esinsuo mu a mo nka
o me na so ma gisika adi o mo den
adwan din she gelege
ya wali a na where did it
me akra
papa ni ta ma stop ya pa abubona
mo I manchibona na ye radi jangopo ye madwai
na je so senior na bom te say
brapa ni se bibia hye ye de
community 25
mo Francis Bakope
senior na woni bibi
na minya baifo na mahunu
chiawo ene wajuma yefo nyina mo ye adwuma de na say Oma we mu nankasa no. Maybe ba and penifo wo ma we mu. Before so be pie dia free with them no. Na youth no ekita aba. Enfia e gina o gita no. Ako se bibi se. Why na mom permit? Onya electricity we he, onya water we he ansa na nipa ne for 20 solid years. Why na man so to me no? Anya penifo ya. Yeah. O de opama e ho nankasa na ensuo yiri omo no mo bi nkasa ordinisika e be ye even gata na kasa district no e be man kwan ana ye face the same problem e wa ha district no that say okun
DLFM
106.9 ya nkasa ye sika e ba be ye gata district no e pese ombe ma ye kwan ma ya ye
kasa assembly no
ne ma kwan ma ye ntimi nye gata no mensuo ta let's show them a man for fear. Ebu ye next neighbor ne war. Ebu ye. Amada so to ayo mo adwuma o mo san so agisika ansana. Amata yeah.
Akumaya de beba. Me da say. Good evening.
Good evening. Okogyeabour.
Me offers be ni.
The friend David is very Botema.
Ma minti mfi Botema.
Me o mni say. Yeti mafufo kwa ankasa na yesa inyama no because uko sidan e won ju nsiwa no na wa hwe bola egugata mu rather than you and farmer. And they say I'm assembling come now on education kakra.
Mera say Yachiabotema for good evening.
Good evening, Ofa.
Me wafa asibeni.
Ozi tabako pe wa.
Hey, Auntie Raha dodo wa for bia ho ye de.
Ye wo ye. Wan se masme pa mama akoko na mo WhatsApp wa.
Sa mo de mo nko so ma me WhatsApp akoko. Na bedru mo so.
Oh, ye be mo dodo.
Mo ma menti o.
Ye be mo na nchi na be mo why.
Matia.
Nipa cho wọ́n sẹ́ àkàyà yẹ dúnú na yẹ sáadìẹ náà. Sísẹ́ pẹ̀yìnfọ́ ọ̀nbẹ́ sísá ẹ̀nyẹ́má nyinaa ẹ̀tù ẹ̀dù. But wọ́n sẹ́ mpẹ̀yìnfọ́ ní bi sisi dan wọ́n sùn náà ní ọmọ ká. But yẹ àtìmẹ̀yìnfọ́ lè kíọ̀sì kẹ̀kẹ́ náà náà wọ́n yẹ tu wọn no ọmọ bẹ̀ bubu kíọ̀sì nyinaa ẹ̀tù wọn. Nti mpẹ̀yìnfọ́ no ọmọ nìmú ọmọ wọn nti náà ọmọ mpẹ̀sẹ̀ ọmọ bubu adano
menso medase pa ya chia dodo wafo na amangu na bande monko amuni Kwadwo amangu na badodo wa
na
enso dodo wafo nko na edie
omo aye din sa yen TV no ban sa de omo ne ani ni yi o
so hu
Linda woni mo
o Linda onim so no wo ben ho
wo ben se na me bi say
ofa kwati kwan na waje adi na efa ne yemo nyina ati kroma. Good evening.
Hi, evening, Ofa.
Me wafa asibeni.
Ofa, say me free Ashama Lebano.
Mamintio.
You Ofa. I am say, Muka Biso and Penny say, Ghana, Yamua, now or more Kakra, or Mohono. Yan to Bonanka Yamua. Make us out a bang. But I say,
wasn't make us out a bang.
Me
say, what's a mechanic?
Now, can be so much you see. Yeah, but it's a Ghana getting, and to a more Macasho Mohono. Or more, we have to get anymore.
Me pacho, men cancer, a gamanche, me pacho, Nabutre, Nabutre, a dominant pimpim neti. A news why I can, yes, you are gamanche, Anna was say, what the bois. Ama Enquires, I clean, Yanka man peniasem, Wadama.
Okay, Matofa.
Menso medase. Went me nyina so dia abusua ye ntimi mfa afrafo no biem kafra producers me fa onye last call amadwe.
Yeah, yo. Ojo, atite me
wofa ase me ho ye o na so e.
Oh, wofa ase e wo hobo.
Ya da ase.
Edi e wofa enyimre asem na odi aba. Me say wo awu ni say ansa na bibia betumi akoyie na mra ye adwuma. Nanso bi na o hwe mra so. Oti ase yam fango pia wankasa wufie kura wo mu no. Wa wo ye panyine no wo na wo toto niama mra wo fie wo asade na abofranso wo na asade. Nti ansa na bibia be kɔ no. Ise wo hwe se mra na wo fie wo na aye adwuma. Abofra obetumi akobe bi ope bia na obeye di ope but wan hwe mamra na anya adwuma dia wan hwe kora nkeye la manfofra wo koyi ana bibia da ne kwan mu wo ko anya bibia eye mra ene ye adwuma dimestre se eye mpanyinfo no se wo hwe na mra eye adwuma wo jisika ene wo yesa no pre enu nti ena ama ye hunu ni sa no wo se sapia bibia nzo be koyi
Meda se papa yera yentimi emfa frefo no ebiem yemfa aseda ema DJ Omarion wono na de ko Facebook no so aseda PS yenkoma wo Ghana ni nso se wo ye wotiefo ema yenso ye beye asomfo edia mejeso se wakenkan ne no eye gangster cat ya mitenkura Okogyeabour Ocran mene
Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy
Yeko na Nhyiraba Kwadwo inkum yeda ase papa no message sadanso ananana owusu wonso yeda ase wose Hassan Texas ewo US wose kase bone demo pa ntinana owusu yechiawo pa yi
woni mi se madam for ba kon edi ni birthday ne
o kase mimi ni mo ane we card wo me ho
enti na meka bibisa nti we wonnem nti aba opisa Madam for back home and in the class, sorry.
Obana Bema.
Or your Bema.
Comes with
the Church of Pentecost, a year canta, Old Fadama district. It's so, from what they know, you know, our Old Fadama district, and our English assembly.
What a bravo.
Oh, what a bravo, pa.
Bema.
And
what a bravo.
Eddie. Oh, Bema, never had a man.
Castle.
They did the Ebenezer Siama, and Ebenezer, and Ewa, the Yakan as a Chedian Ponyankopon. O mouse, mouse, no Yokesie. And then what da would dear just and never would done Yakoponya Pana, dear Bian Modern Bar would bo. Titruni evangelism, what down would boa power, old Fadama district in the mono. Yankopon, on Yokesie, Nema Bravo Breno, on Fanwakitia. And for amount the Kenyan say, Yankopon, and Yokesia pa, we and Chakasia. A free DLFM for your day amount and
evangelism now on over away Duma.
Oh, Copa,
Sacra canoes with Duma.
Hey, what Chinisa
will be as one as winning. Sacra
got to be our coho. It do baby, I know, yes, shit, that's a bad day. Oh, and maybe this pass and Michiano, pass here for the Insania Timo. What's one for you in the agro cry? I am seeing to me for them one pay. Aha, and Chidian Poyankopon, you feel the part. Mr. Marion, as what time media because made the picture sending a could fit Taylor Senka, Monfe Benis and two a decent Ghana for no. Now, my missa
Bema or call English evangelism dinosaur Bema Pam. Enti Eka Sebono Yeko Yadamu Yanasi and Ray Amamunyamu, and it's ya Wajian Oboja.
The Yale